Hello everyone! Today, I would like to introduce to you a special repair lathe for CKL-26Q wheels independently developed by. This is a hub repair lathe with a maximum machining size of 26 inches. Help you efficiently repair aluminum alloy wheels, enhance finish and accuracy. The system adopts our self-developed wheel hub repair system. Supports 3 detection methods. One click to the knife, one click output program. Programs can be saved and can be called at any time. The operation is simple and efficient. Pneumatic lift door. Free your hands. Add safety door devices. Open the door and stop during operation. Protect the safety of operators. The handheld unit supports close-range operation. Humanized design is more efficient. The tray with mouse and keyboard is designed to be very user-friendly. The system can rotate 90 degrees, perfectly hidden. The operation is more convenient. Special wheels, furniture, armor, convenient and reliable. 4-claw or 6-claw spare parts are available. We can also customize the truck cover according to your requirements. Laser detection is fast and safe. It only takes 10 seconds to complete. The processing effect is perfect, bright as new. As a true manufacturer, we accept a variety of customized services. Voltage, language, logo, and shape functions can all be customized. We also provide efficient and high-quality after-sales services. Make sure your equipment can be used efficiently for a long time. You are welcome to visit our company at any time. Experience firsthand the power of our devices. You can contact me at any time if you have any questions.